What did you have more fun building, your first PC or your current PC? I feel like my answer isn't what you'd expect, but it's actually my first PC. Simply because my younger brother had just built his PC, so he walked me through the entire process, and it was actually a lot of fun. One thing's for sure though, it did not look pretty. Over the years, I've built about 7 PCs, with almost all of them having a heavier focus on aesthetics, which leads to building PCs now just not as fun when it comes to things such as installing an AIO or making sure all the RGB fans work together. Oh, and not to mention cable management. You see, years back, all I cared about was a system that functioned and could play Fortnite at like 140 FPS. But my question to you is, which did you have more fun building? And if you like all things tech related, like and follow for more.